How to create Reddit account on mobile. So hello guys, if you are using mobile and you want to create Reddit account on mobile, how you guys can do that? So for that you need to download Reddit app from Play Store or App Store. Once you install it, you will simply click on Reddit app. So simply click on Reddit app. Once you open it, we will simply wait for some seconds. Here you guys will see continue with Google, use email or username. Also on downside sign up. So simply click on sign up. Once we click on sign up, you guys can use your email or you guys can continue with Google account. So simply I will continue with Google account. Once we click on continue with Google account, you need to wait for some seconds. Here you guys will see your Google account. So simply select the one that you want to log in or sign up. So simply click on your specific account. Now wait for some seconds. After that it will say choose your username, so you need to choose your username, and after that you will simply skip the other things. And once you do that, in end it will say show tell your gender, so select your gender and after that click on save. And once you do that, your Reddit account will be created. So that's how you guys can use Reddit on mobile in 2025. Thanks for watching.